Paano nga ba mag-divide ng radical expressions? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Sa last video, pinag-usapan natin multiplication of radical expressions. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yun muna ang panoorin nyo. Makakatulong yun para mas maintindihan nyo ang topic natin ngayon. Okay? Sa pag-divide ng radical expressions, we can first rewrite the problem as one radical. Kapag magkapareho ang index, sa nakikita nyo, nth root of a over nth root of b is equal to nth root of a over b. The two numbers inside the square roots can be combined as a fraction. And once we do this, we can now simplify the fraction inside and then take the square root. Huwag kalimutan nyo na, kung pwedeng isimplify, isimplify. So, i-apply na natin siya sa mga examples natin. Number 1 is square root of 35 divided by square root of 7. So, isulat muna natin siya as square root of 35 over square root of 7. Then, rewrite natin as one radical. Pareho silang square root, kaya square root yung magiging answer natin. Okay? Square root of 35 over 7. Ano ba ang 35 divided by 7? That is 5. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin is square root of 5. Pwede pa ba nating isimplify ang square root of 5? Hindi na. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung final answer natin. Sana nakuha yun, ha? Ganun lang yun. Next, number 2. Paano naman kapag may coefficient at kapag may variable? So, we have 2 square root of 32x to the 4th y cubed divided by 8xy. So, isusulat muna natin siya as 2 square root of 32 x to the 4th y cubed divided by square root of 8xy. Unahin nating i-simplify yung coefficients. So, 2 yung nasa numerator. Sa denominator, wala tayong nakikita. Ang coefficient ton ay 1. 2 divided by 1 or 2 over 1, 2 pa rin yan, di ba? So, susulat natin siya. Yan yung magiging coefficient natin sa sagot natin. Then, combine natin as one radical. Pareho silang square root. So, sa fraction natin, sa loob, 32 x to the 4th y cubed over 8xy. So now, let us divide the radicands. Kopyahin muna natin yung 2 or yung number sa labas ng radical symbol. Then, square root. 32 divided by 8, that is 4. X to the 4th over x, that is x cubed. Okay, so napag-aralan na natin yan sa laws of exponents. Dapat alam nyo yun, ha? Pero ipapakita ko na rin kung paano. So, y cubed divided by y, that is y squared. So, ito na. Baka kasi nalilimutan nyo yung pagdi-divide ng variables. Ang x to the 4th, di ba, 4 na x yan. So, yung numerator natin. Ang denominator natin ay isa lang x. Ang x over x is equal to 1. So, pwede natin siyang i-cancel. Anong natira? 3x. That is x cubed. Okay? Next, yung y cubed. Sa numerator natin, 3y. Sa denominator natin, isang y. Pwede tayong mag-cancel at ang natira ay 2y or y squared. Ganun lang yun, ha? So, pahiin muna natin kasi mawawalan tayo ng space. simplify na tayo. Ano ba ang square root of 4? Kopyahin muna natin yung 2. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. So, i-multiply natin siya sa 2 mamaya. Mamaya na natin i-multiply. Baka kasi mali to. Next, square root of x cubed. Or yung exponent, divide natin sa index. 3 divided by 2, 1 lang yan. At may matitira tayong 1 sa loob. Okay? May isa tayong x sa loob ng square root. Mamaya natin ilagay. Next, square root of y squared. Isa lang yan. Wala na tayong matitirang y sa loob ng radical symbol. At ang natira na lang ay yung kanina, x na lang. At para sa final answer, multiply lang natin 2 times 2. 2 times 2, that is 4 xy. Kopyahin natin. Square root of x. This is our final answer. Dali lang, di ba? Kaya niyo yan. Para sa next example natin, we have 6 square root of 75x raised to 8 y raised to 4 divided by 3 square root of 3 x raised to 5 y raised to 4. Okay, so isulat muna natin siya as 6 square root of 75 x raised to 8 y raised to 4 square root of 3 x raised to 5 y raised to 4. Katulad lang rin ang ginawa natin kanina, unahin nating i-simplify yung coefficients or yung numbers sa labas ng radical symbol, yung 6 over 3. So ano ba ang 6 over 3? Or 6 divided by 3? That is 2. So yan yung magiging coefficient natin sa sagot natin. So lagay tayo ng square root. (75). Numerator natin x raised to 8 y raised to 4 over 3x raised to 5 y raised to 4. Simplify natin yung radicand. 75 divided by 3. So, kopyahin mo natin pala yung 2. And 75 divided by 3, that is 25. X raised to 8 over x raised to 5. So, tinuruan ko na yan kanina kung paano That is x cubed. Next, y raised to 4 over y raised to 4. Cancel lang. That is 1, di ba? So, di na natin siya isusulat. So, i-simplify natin. Idediretso ko na Di ko na isusulat yung 2. Okay? So, what is the square root of 25? That is 5. Tama? 5 times 2, that is 10. Then, square root of x cubed, that is x. Then, may iwan sa loob ng radical symbol na x. So, our final answer is 10x square root of x. Para sa last example natin, we have 4th root of 35x to the 5th divided by 4th root of 7. Sulat natin as 4th root of 35 x to the 5th over 4th root of 7 equals 4th root of 35 over x raised to 5, over 7. Then, simplify natin yung radicand. 35 divided by 7. Na-solve na natin yung kanina, di ba? 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Then, copy lang natin yung x raised to 5 kasi wala naman siyang kapartner sa denominator. So, yung 4th root of 5, hindi na natin siya pwede simplify. Yung x to the 5th na lang. Ano? So, what is 4th root of x to the 5th? That is x lang, di ba? So, 4th root of, may iwang x sa loob, 5x. So, the answer is x 4th root of 5x. So, sana may naintindihan kayo sa mga pinagsasabi ko about sa division of radical expressions. Pakilike mo naman kung may naintindihan ka kahit kaunti. Malaking bagay na yun sa akin. Yun lang sa ngayon. See you sa next video. Goodbye and God bless.